David Licao update. And suppose si Sir Nathan, Team David today, and may ganap si David, may pandit sa McDo at media conference for I Think I Love You single niya. Ayan o, ayan na sila David at Team David yan o. Ayan, una nilang sa pandit sa McDo.
Hi to Martin Leeds, David Licao. Thank you so much for supporting me and Barbie. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Wow, thank you.
But yeah, I think
Barbie, David Agumay.
I get better at singing. It's not easy, but again, if you put in the work, you can do it.
Ayan, so ang tanong naman ng mga tao dito, para kanino po ang kantang nagawa niyo? Bakit Barbie yan?
Para sa ating lahat.
Alam, parang hindi sila naniniwala. Ayan, so how different is being in a studio versus being in front of camera?
Well, in front of TV, you can't really, drink while shooting. But in a recording studio, you can have wine. Medyo confident ka. So we were drinking wine kasi syempre mahihayin nga ako, diba? So kahit sa mga tumulong sa akin sa producers, I was really shy to sing dahil hindi ko naman to forte. And I think it's a different industry from acting. Just you and the mic and the producers and your lyrics, totally different experience, but really grateful na na-experience ko yun. Kasi dati, pinapakita ko lang sila, Justin Bieber, nakita yung mga videos sila sa recording studio, so for me to, actually experience that, kasi,
Iba yung saya niya, no, guys? Ayan.
wala lang.
So, next question, what did you learn about yourself inside the house that you brought to your music journey? Inside the house, what?
PBB? PBB ba?
Yes, po, PBB. Okay, po.
Well, a lot of them can sing. A lot of them are confident kapag sumasayaw. Ako hindi ganun. I guess, mas na-appreciate ko yung song dahil, siyempre kapag ikaw kasi kumanta, marami pang isipin ako, maganda ba ito? Baka hindi gusto ng mga tao, but then for them to actually appreciate that song na ginawa nga namin ng Universal Records, mas na-appreciate yung song, and sabi nila na catchy, so that he'd be confident na, okay, I'm actually releasing a song na I can be proud of.
So, ayan.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.